Hi everybody, welcome to Painting with Mr. Ryan. So I got a challenge last week. Someone asked if I could do a Star Wars painting doing only shapes. So I thought that's a good challenge, so I had to pick a subject from Star Wars. Who would I want to paint that's got a lot of good shapes? So I picked my friend R2-D2 right here. He's got a lot of good shapes on him. There's some circles, some rectangles, things like that. So I thought, can we do a quick R2-D2 painting using only shapes? Today I'm going to use a canvas. You know what canvas is a kind of material. It's kind of this rough material like this, but you can use anything to be your canvas. You can use old cardboard or a piece of paper, whatever you have around. And then for paints today, for R2-D2, I just got some blue, red, a little black, and some gray. Okay? So let's try this, and let's see what we can come up with. So I see first that R2-D2 has half of a circle for his head here. See this? It's kind of like a half circle. We call that a semicircle. So I'm going to get some of my gray here, and I'm going to make a semicircle like this for R2. And then I'll paint it in like this, okay? Now we're going to go fast today. You guys take as much time as you want, okay? Now I notice that I need to put some black in here to draw his shapes. So I'm going to get a little black paint. I'm going to make a rectangle. So I'm going to start right here like this, okay? And then I'm going to use a little better brush here. Use some black, just like this, okay? Again, we're going to go fast, but you take your time. Make it look as nice as you want it to look, okay? Now, I notice his legs are also kind of rectangle looking. So I'm going to put some rectangles on the sides like this as well. Okay, just like this. All right, we'll put another rectangle on the side like this. All right. Now his bottom shapes are kind of like trapezoids for his feet. So we're going to put a little one like this on each side. Now remember, we're only going to paint with shapes today, okay? So that's important. Now what we need to do is put a little semicircle on the bottom, like this. Okay? There's our basic shape for R2-D2 right there. Now we get to put in all the cool things that he's got. So I'm going to switch out my brush here really quick, and I'm going to add R2-D2's optic eye. Now his eye is kind of a blue square like this. So we're going to put some blue in. All right, a blue square. All right, now he's also got a couple other blue things on him too. He's got these blue, almost long rectangular lines like this. Okay, so we're going to put one, we're going to put two, and we're going to do one other little one like this. Okay, so 3 lines, pretty simple. He's got all other kinds of little rectangles as well. He's got another blue rectangle in his body right about here. So we'll put that on and paint it in. All right. And then he's got some other little line rectangles here as well. Let me switch my brush out. Now you guys make him look however you want. There's all kinds of R2-D2s, all kinds of different units. Some are red, some are green. So you paint whatever kind you want. So we'll put a little box here like this. He's got some little lines like this. I think there was another one like this. Okay. And then we'll put a couple other little lines in like this. Okay, so he's getting there. Now we're going to take some black, and right here in the middle of our square, we're going to make a circle for his optic eye. Just like that. You guys see that? All right. Now on top of R2-D2, he's got some blue trapezoids, kind of like his feet. So we're going to put a couple here. One right here, and here, and here. All right, going super fast. All right, now we're going to put a couple more blue markers on them. a little rectangle on the side right here for some of his circuitry, and then he has some of his compartments that he has that do secret things. Okay, just like this. And then we're going to put a little red dot underneath his eye. Get a little bit of red paint like this. Doop. Just like that. All right, so he's getting there. Then I'm going to take my black paint and I'm just going to touch up all these areas that aren't quite rectangular. Just like this. All right. I'll put a couple lines in right here. Put a couple of accents in. Just like this. All right. We'll put some marker lines in underneath like this, just to give them a little depth. Perfect. Maybe a couple more little lines on for some circuits like this. He does have some wires in his feet, so we can get some red and put a couple little wires in like this. There's our R2-D2. All right, we use nothing but shapes to make him. All right, he may not be the best one, but he's pretty good. I did an R2-D2 painting a while ago like this, where I only painted half of him, and you guys can see he still has the rectangular shapes. He has a semicircle head. He has all the different compartments on his body like this. So they may not look the same, but they're all done with shapes. All right, so challenge accepted and maybe completed. If you guys have other things that you'd like us to paint, please let us know. Paint anything, dog, cat, house, horse, it doesn't matter. And then post it for us to see, okay? And until next time, I hope everybody has a great job painting, and may the force be with you.